This humble Spanish fishing boat was easy prey for a gang of heavily armed Somalian pirates. Now all the families of the many Spanish crew members can do is wait for news of their loved ones, praying that they won't be harmed. A hasty phone call from the boat's captain will have given them hope.
We are well. For now, the situation is a bit delicate, but we are well.
We've been told there's an injured person on board. Can you confirm that?
No. We said there were no injured people. We are on our way to Somalia.
Despite those reassurances, the captain's daughter is desperate for her father to be rescued and brought home safely.
My
father used to tell stories about pirates, but for me it was kind of a joke. But it's not a joke, they're criminals. It seems unbelievable that in this century there are still pirates.
This Spanish frigate has now been sent on a mission to try to rescue the captured fishermen. And over the weekend, the Spanish government said it was making every possible diplomatic effort to try to free the men. But Somalia is one of the world's piracy hotspots. Last week, French troops seized 6 Somalis who'd taken 30 people hostage on a luxury yacht. Now the United States and France are drafting a UN resolution that would allow countries to chase, arrest and prosecute suspected pirates in Somali waters. Jane Haddon, BBC News.